Hello dear student, welcome to Easy Math classes. Today we learn about quadrilateral and their types. So without wasting a time, let's start. A simple definition of quadrilateral is a closed figure with four sides is quadrilateral. ऐसी closed figure जिसके four sides है वो quadrilateral है. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, kite, these are the types of quadrilateral. So one by one we learn about each type of quadrilaterals. Square. A quadrilateral in which all four sides are congruent and each angle is right angle is a square. ऐसा quadrilateral जिसके चारों भी साइड congruent हो और हर एक एंगल right angle है वो square है. The diagonal of a rectangle are perpendicular bisector of each other. Also the diagonals are congruent. Rectangle. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are congruent and each angle is right angle is rectangle. ऐसा quadrilateral जिसमें opposite sides congruent हो और हर एक एंगल right angle है वो rectangle है. The diagonal of rectangle are also congruent and bisect each other. Also remember, each square is rectangle but each rectangle is not a square. Rhombus. A quadrilateral in which all four sides are congruent is rhombus. ऐसा quadrilateral जिसके चारों भी साइड सेम हो वो rhombus है. The diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are congruent and parallel is parallelogram. ऐसा quadrilateral जिसके opposite sides congruent भी हो और साथ ही साथ parallel भी हो वो parallelogram है. The diagonal of a parallelogram are also bisect each other. Also remember that each rectangle is parallelogram but each parallelogram is not a rectangle. Trapezium. A quadrilateral in which one pair of side is parallel is trapezium. ऐसा quadrilateral जिसमें सिर्फ एक pair of sides parallel है दूसरी नहीं वो trapezium है. The diagonal of a trapezium are also bisect each other. Trapezium में सिर्फ एक sides की जोड़ी एक दूसरे के parallel होती है दूसरी जोड़ी parallel नहीं होती. Kite. A quadrilateral in which four sides can be grouped into two pair of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other is kite. Quadrilateral में चार साइड में से दो पेयर की साइड्स जो कि इक्वल लेंथ है एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट होती है और उससे काइट बनती है. द डायगोनल ऑफ अ काइट्स आर परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ ईच अदर. Kite is like a simple kite that we fly in the air.